It's not just a random pain flare. It's your fascia saying, hey, remember this feeling? Remember when we had to brace like this to survive? These somatic flashbacks often happen precisely when you're trying to relax, when you're finally still enough, quiet enough, safe enough for your body to start processing what it's been holding. This is why massage can sometimes make you cry, why gentle touch can sometimes feel overwhelming, why entering a restful state can sometimes trigger anxiety that seems to come out of nowhere. Let me share a story that illustrates this perfectly. A few years ago, I was receiving body work from a practitioner who specialized in fascial release. I went in thinking it would just help with some of the physical tension I'd been carrying, the typical stuff we all deal with. The practitioner was working on my shoulders using gentle, sustained pressure, nothing aggressive, when I suddenly felt this wave of grief rise up through my entire body. And before I could even process what was happening, I was sobbing. Not cute, delicate tears, but full body, messy, crying about a relationship that ended 2 years earlier.